Now second, non-contact forces. So we'll study here non-contact forces. Non-contact forces means object attract or repel even from a distance. Means there is no contact between the two forces. The magnets attracted each other due to magnetic force. A paper pieces attracted when a charged body brings to uncharged objects. Then the paper pieces attracted to the comb when rubbed on our hairs, and gravitational force. So we'll study here the types of contact forces and their examples. So there are three types of non-contact forces: gravitational force, magnetic force, and electrostatic force. These are the three. Now, when a fruit fall from the tree, why it falls? Because of gravitational force. So this is because of gravitational force. The force due to Earth's attraction is called the gravitational force. There is no contact. Therefore, it is the non-contact force. Second example, the force between two magnets poles. Yes, opposite poles, when two magnets come close, they attract, and equal like poles when come close, they repel. So attraction and repulsion of the magnetic force, that is also a non-contact. No contact is there between. There is a gap. So that is why non-contact forces. So that is a magnetic force. When you rub a plastic pipe on a dry cloth, yes, then what happen? When you bring it near the thread, then what will happen? The thread is attracted toward the, yes. Now see, the threads are attracting toward the pipe. So this is also the example of non-contact force. We'll see the more examples of non-contact. Now see again. Take a bar magnet and take iron and nail. Keep a bar magnet on a table and iron and nail in front of. There is a gap between these two, and bring the bar magnet very close to the nail. Bring it very slowly. See what happened. Yes, and do not touch. Yes, what happened? The nail get attracted toward the magnet. So there was no contact between magnet and the nail, but when magnet brings close, the nail attracted stick. So that is called magnetic force. There is no contact between the nail and the magnet, even the nail attracted or stick to the magnet. So this is the best example of non-contact force. So magnetic force is also the example of non-contact force. Now let us see more examples of non-contact force. Yes, non-contact force, magnet attracts the cupboard. So contact is not necessary. When you bring the magnet very close to the cupboard, it get attracted. So there is no contact. No need to make the contact between these two. Even magnet attract the cupboard. So that is a non-contact force. So magnetic force is an example of contact force. Now see, when you throw a ball from a height, it fall down. A plastic ball throw downward direction. Why does the ball fall toward the ground? Why? Because of Earth's gravitational force. Means Earth exerts a force on the ball and the ball attracted toward the Earth. So there is no contact between the Earth and the ball. So because of gravitational force. So gravitational force is also the example of non-contact force. So same example, when a running water from the tap falls downward direction, that is also the gravitational force. It falls because of gravitational force. Therefore it is also non-contact force. So gravitational force is also type of non-contact force. There are so many examples we can give non-contact forces. So non-contact forces are the forces there is no interaction between any two objects. That is called non-contact force.